They are the world's largest, up to 16 feet across. She sends out a scent to attract a suitor, and someone's homing in. A huge male who finds her irresistible. He has a special mating arm to gently transfer a packet of sperm. Their embrace can last 4 hours. But once it's over, they part ways, never to meet again. 9 months pass. She is now guarding 100,000 eggs. Every day, she has gently cleaned them, and by now, she has grown very weak. But at last, the eggs are ready to hatch. Each miniature octopus must now take its chances in the vast Pacific Ocean. But this is something no octopus mom survives. By starving herself, she sacrificed her own life to give her offspring the best chance.